When we create the result sheet or mark sheet, we also add the rank or position of that student in the whole class. Excel makes it easy, and we rank all the students in seconds using the rank formula in Excel. The rank function in Excel returns the rank of a number in a list of numbers. Let's start with the time-saving formula and trick. We know that the start of a formula will be with an equal sign. Then type rank, press the Tab button, then click on cell F7, then select the whole range from where this formula ranked the students by numbers. Close the bracket and press Enter. We got the result. One tip for getting the right result by dragging the formula. Use the absolute for the range. When we drag this formula down, the absolute reference stays the same, while the relative reference changes to F8, F9, F10, etc. The second trick is that the third argument is not added or zero. Excel ranks the largest number first, second largest number second, etc.